Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Today your girl Sonia is on another setting. It is a backyard settings today where we are going to do some jerk chicken wing and some corn. Put some corn on the grill. So follow me on that one here. So here is my chicken wing already seasoned. Well seasoned, guys. And here is my corn and my grill already light up. So watch the process. Nice and lovely. Big up to all of my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you for 500 subs. I love it. So me I do that one here. The whole of uno. And the grill. Check in, guys. Chicken wing and look nice. Can smell the aroma. Check in, guys. You see what going right here, so? Look at Auntie Mama in the background. Sit down. No look pan her. Get the corn them nice and clean for the grill. I don't know the thing go already. Who not subscribers yet? Please go ahead and do so. Give your girl some love. Like the video, share them, tell a friend for tell a friend, and always remember how we say Jamaica. Take a look in it, see what I want. Everything looks delicious. Look good. We're almost ready to eat. And now, guys, I'm going to get my corn all ready for the grill. So check in. Now me I to add my corn to the grill. Me know I no miss this, you know, but May I do it for me own, you know? Lovely. Beautiful. Alright guys, you see how lovely everything look? Soon forward.
Check it.
Check in guys. You see my jerk chicken wing and my corn for my grill. Everything set, ready to eat. So me have all of my family line up. See Uncle D, Sister Natasha there. Auntie Mama.
Auntie Mama is here ready for my jerk chicken and my roast corn.
And Obi there behind the camera. Turn it for yourself, make the people them see you. Turn around the camera.
People them know me already,
Turn
man.
around the camera, Obi.
Turn around
Yeah,
it.
man, I me this, you know.
The real chef.
Me can't wait, you know, people. Me can't wait. Me just are going right away, straight ahead.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Jerk chicken off the grill.
This a 10 out of 10. Me not ask nobody. Me I tell you no, it's shot. They're so good.
Look good. Look delicious.
Yep. Check in guys, look at my jerk chicken wing and my roast corn. So now, may I try one of them corn here, you know. Long time I ate one good corn.
Hey. I'm gonna try the wing.
Yeah, wing junkie, you know, that man.
I know, you always, every time you come my yard, you always intend to cook one meat, my favorite. Yes, Sister Natasha. You have here,
We're going to eat chicken wings.
oh, you want me to do it too? Alright,
Enjoy yourself with some
Go on.
homemade sauce.
that's enough?
Yes, yes, yes.
Alright.
Okay, let's get in it.
Well, I taste now.
Guys,
Hey.
this tastes good. Real authentic Jamaican food. What you have to say, Sister Natasha? It's shot.
Good. Yeah.
Uncle
Good,
D,
it's good, it's good.
forward no man.
It's good.
People them a look for you, you know.
There is me just there on the corner there.
Well flavored.
Yep.
Put yourself on this too.
I know you want to do it. Hey! I say Uncle D know the things go.
You want to dip it?
No, sir, for the Uncle D. Ramp, you know.
Chicken dip.
Alright, Uncle D.
Well, have a taste up there now, you know.
Yeah.
And then,
Fireworks.
yeah, hold on. Yeah, then see. Yeah. Ready again.
What you say, Uncle D?
Pretty look
Ready
at-
for your road?
Yeah. You should have a road there, sell some of this now.
I mean, if you tell you.
People, you could have just pass through, you know. You know, no, but
We still like you know some. As not good people are good people.
yeah,
And good food are good food. Stop.
real.
Next week stop.
People me the over here so enjoy me corn.
Right. Let me see. Sample corn now. Right.
Real corn.
Real corn. Well.
Why she came bad?
Tastes good for real.
Tastes really good.
It's a good
Corn good.
Look a box.
Yep.
Corn is good. Corn is good.
So guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. Member said, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye. See ya.
Let's say bye to
Later,
viewers and
later,
subscribers.
later. I'll try one more piece, yeah?